수가 없었어.
Hi guys, hope you all doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. In case you're new here, welcome, karibu sana. My sweet name is Fanny's Nelly and my channel is I Am Nellian. I am an African girl from here in Kenya, a typical proud village girl from Kakamega. But right now I'm coming to you loud and clear from Mombasa, the second largest city here in Kenya. So guys, in today's video, nakwambia, this one you have to like it. In today's video, we are doing an eating competition with my friends. So before we get into that competition, I'd like to invite my friends to my channel so that they can introduce themselves. So here they are. Woo!
Yo!
Yo! Karibu.
Thank you.
Introduce yourself.
Hi guys, my good name is Tina. I go by the name Sprinkles of Tina on YouTube. Go check me out. Yeah, like, share and comment my videos. Subscribe. Road to 500 subscribers. Yeah, and my people, go check Nellian out. I am Nellian. Road to 1,000. Road to 1,000 subscribers. Hit that subscription button on her side. Watch her videos. Give them a thumbs up. Share, like, and comment. Yeah, guys.
So hi guys, how are you doing? Me hii channel nishakuwa mwenyeji.
Aha.
So anyway, for those who don't know me, my name is Foy Maina, and yeah, that's my name on YouTube channel. So kindly go and check me out, subscribe, comment and share, and invite your friends to subscribe on my channel. And also kindly mfikisheni 1,000. Mi nataka tu 100. Nikifika 100 nitawaambia nataka 200. So for Nellian, reach her 1,000 subscriber and we will be so grateful.
Yeah, so guys, stay tuned in today's episode and hope you're gonna enjoy it.
Yeah.
Watu wa Tina na watu wa Foy, kindly please kujeni kwangu, finya your subscribe button. If you are from my channel, check out Tina as well. Yeah. Check out Foy Maina as well. Yeah. So stay tuned for the video.
10 minutes.
Yeah.
10 minutes.
Yeah.
So we are putting the timer. So it's 10 minutes. 10 minutes as you can see. So
No touching.
yeah. Ishaanza. Simwanze.
So guys, you can start with any.
Oh, no touching.
Oh. Okay, so sweet. This one. No touching. Oh God.
But the 2 minutes.
Nishamaliza.
Jesus.
Hey, you guys, oh my God. Nikusaidie?
I'm tired. picture. Nimemaliza na 7 minutes 59 seconds. So
It has been amazing.
I'm the winner.
Guys, when you go through this content creation, kindly hit that subscription button, like, give the video a like, this one. Give it a like. Share to your friends. Tell them, come and see this type of content that is here. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for watching us.
We are speechless.
Leave a comment.
See the table.
Leave a comment in the comment section.
These are Team Kufagia.
Thank you so much for watching.
I never thought that nikianza YouTube mimi nitafanya video kama hii.
The things we go through. The things we go through. Acha tu.
We are finishing the remaining.
I'm the winner too.
Second one.
I'm the third.
Yeah.
Third
No,
one.
you are the third one.
Ooh.
This one is the second.
No, I finished earlier.
We will rewatch the video and see who is the third.
Oh, video imenini.
So guys, please subscribe, comment, share and like, and also visit our YouTube channels. Like, comment, share the videos that we have done, and also leave a comment and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time we upload a new video. Okay?
Yeah, they get it.
Yeah, Team Nelian, go check me out. Sprinkles of Tina. Oh yeah, nawaomba. Nifikisheni 500 subscribers. I will appreciate. First, give me 200. Leave 500. Give me 200 subscribers. I will appreciate. And Fikisheni Nelian 1000 subscribers.
Yeah.
She's so hardworking.
Support our girls here, please. To support the things we go through kuleta content. Unaona vile tunakaa because of you people. So watch, like, comment, share, and also check out my friends here as well.
Yeah.
I leave their channel links in the
Description box.
Yeah, check them out as well.
Yeah.
So
Till
bye
the
bye.
next one.
Adios.
Adios.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up.
Thank you so much guys for watching today's episode, and let me get to know what you think about it. Drop a comment in the comment section and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye bye.